Hi folks, Sister McMurray here. I want to go over lesson 2 with you. So here's what we have due on Saturday. We have the study skills quiz. We have multiple choice questions that you need to create. We have a plan for success. We have your discussion board responses. So you start the discussion board here in lesson 1 and with your initial post due on Wednesday. And then by Saturday you have to come and respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. Then you have the chapter 2 reading and quiz. Then you report your discussion board participation. Again, it's back on the discussion board at the end of the page. And then you have the self-assessment quiz. So each week you take a self-assessment quiz. It's only worth 1 point, but it's more like a reflection of the things that you have done that week. So let me walk you through a little bit more about some of the important assignments. So here's a chapter 2 quiz. If you don't have the book yet, it's posted on the announcement page. The chapter 2 it's scanned for you. Here's the study skills quiz. So based on your discussion board, you'll be reading some articles and then you'll be discussing them. You'll also have a quiz on that material, which is here, called the study skills quiz. Here is your discussion board, or at least part of it. And then here you create your own multiple choice questions. So what you do is you take the format that's given, you create 3 multiple choice questions, you need to mark which answer is correct, and you need to justify why that's a good multiple choice question. Now some people get caught up in making true-false questions. True-false questions are not multiple choice questions because you have to have more than one possible answer. So create like A, B, C, D, right? You're creating multiple choice questions just like is given on the assignment. And then you need to submit a plan for success. The plan for success has a template that you can see here. So you need to read the stuff about staying on schedule. Here is the plan for success. You can copy and paste this into your own Word document. But you need to set at least 2 goals, and then you need to come and review this. At the end of each part, you need to estimate the time. So the first few are done for you. Like on Saturday, you can review the assignments for the week, plan out the work, review the chapters. Monday, begin reading the chapters. So basically come in and redo this template that's here. Add in your own stuff. But basically it's here, and then you estimate the time and add your 2 goals. Anyway, so that's it for the week, along with your self-assessment quiz, which is pretty easy. I can show you the questions that are on the self-assessment quiz, so you know. Here we go, start quiz. And each self-assessment quiz at the end of each lesson is about the same. So, did you complete all of the learning activities by their posted due dates and times? Were you prepared for and did you actively participate in any assigned group activities this week? That means our discussion board. Did you reflect on the process of BYU-I learning model and how you applied them in this lesson? Did you follow the 5 principles of BYU-I learning model as you complete your assignments for work? And then did you seek answers to your questions by discussing them with classmates, by asking the instructor, or by participating in office hours? Okay, that's it for me. Please post any questions you have under the lesson, under the week 1 questions and conversations discussion board. Have a great week.